Hello dear students, welcome to e-classes of PN Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 4 parts and wholes. Question number 13 of chapter 4. The price list of vegetables is given here. Answer the questions on its basis. Students, here price list of the vegetable is given. We have to answer the following question on the basis of this price list table. Here in this table, vegetables are given and price per kilogram is given. Now the price of potatoes is 15 rupees per kilogram and the price of tomatoes is 20 rupees per kilogram and the price of lady's finger is 18 rupees per kilogram. Price of cabbage is 12 rupees per kilogram and price of onion is 16 rupees per kilogram. Now first part of question number 13. How much does 2 kg of potatoes cost? Here students, we have to find out the cost of 2 kg of potatoes if the price of 1 kg potato is 15. Now solution for first part of question number 13. Cost of 1 kg potatoes is equals to rupees 15. It was given in the price list table and we have to find out cost of 2 kg potatoes. To find out the cost of 2 kg potatoes, we will multiply 2 with 15. Now 2 multiplied by 15 is rupees 30. 15 2s is 30. Therefore, cost of 2 kg of potatoes is rupees 30. Now second part of question number 13. Find the cost of half kg of tomatoes. Here students, we have to find out the cost of half kg of tomatoes. Here in the price list table you can see that the cost of 1 kg of tomatoes is 20. Now solution for second part of question number 13. Cost of 1 kg of tomatoes equals to rupees 20. It was given in the price list table. Now we have to find out cost of half kg of tomatoes. To find out the cost of half kg of tomatoes, we will multiply 20 with half. Now first we will multiply 20 with 1. 20 ones is 20. 2 we will write as it is. Now 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10, as 2 tens is 20. Therefore, cost of half kg of tomatoes is rupees 10. Now third part of question number 13. How much does 3.5 kg of lady's finger cost? Students, here we have to find out the cost of 3.5 kg of lady's finger. Here you can see the cost of 1 kg lady's finger is 18 rupees. Now solution for third part of question number 13. Cost of 1 kg lady's finger equals to rupees 18, which was given in the table. First students, we will find out the cost of 3 kg of lady's finger, as it is asked to find out the cost of 3.5 kg lady's finger. For that, first we will find out the cost of 3 kgs of lady's finger. पहले हम 3 kgs lady's finger का cost find out करेंगे. To find out that, we will multiply this 3 with 18. So here we will write 18 multiplied by 3. 18 3s is 54. So cost of 3 kg of lady's finger is rupees 54. Now we will find out cost of half kg of lady's finger. For this we will multiply 18 with half. So here 18 ones is 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9 rupees. So cost of half kg of lady's finger is rupees 9. Now students, total cost of 3.5 kg of lady's finger is 54 plus 9. Cost of 3 kg of lady's finger was 54 and the cost of half kg of lady's finger was 9. By adding 54 plus 9 we will get rupees 63. So total cost of 3.5 kg of lady's finger is rupees 63. Fourth part of question number 13, you have to do it by yourself. Now fifth part of question number 13. How much does 1 by 4 kg of onion cost? Students, here in the table you can see that the cost of 1 kg of onion is rupees 16. Now solution for fifth part of question number 13. Cost of 1 kg onion is equals to rupees 16. It is given in a table. So first we will find out cost of 1/4 kg of onion, as we want to find out the cost of 1 kg and 1/4 kg of onion. So we will first find out the cost of 1/4 kg of onion. For that we will multiply this 16 with 1 by 4. 16 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now 16 ones are 16. With this 4 we will write here as it is. Now dividing 16 by 4 we will get rupees 4. Now cost of 1 kg onion is equals to rupees 16. It is given in the table, and cost of 1/4 kg of onion is equals to rupees 4, which we calculated now. So the total cost of 1/4 kg of onion is 16 plus 4, that is rupees 20. Sixth part of question number 13, you have to do it by yourself. Now seventh part of question number 13, find the total cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage and 1/3 kg of potatoes. Here the cost of potatoes is 15 rupees per kg and cost of cabbage is 12 rupees per kg. Now solution for seventh part of question number 13. Here we have to find out the cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage and 1/3 kg of potatoes. First we will find out the cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage. So first we will write here cost of 1 kg of cabbage is equals to rupees 12. It is given in the table, and cost of 4 kg of cabbage will be, to find out cost of 4 kg of cabbage, we will multiply this 12 with 4. So here we will write 12 multiplied by 4. So the cost of 4 kg of cabbage will be 12 4s are 48 rupees. Now we have to find out cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage. So the cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage will be 12 multiplied by 3 by 4. To find out the cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage, we will multiply 3 by 4 with 12. So 12 3s is 36 upon this 4 we will write here as it is. Now 36 divided by 4 is rupees 9. So cost of 3/4 kg of cabbage is rupees 9. Now to find out the total cost of cabbage, we will add this 48 and 9. So total cost of cabbage is 48 plus 9 rupees 57. So total cost of 3/4 cabbage is rupees 57. Now students, we will find out the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes. So cost of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 15. To find out the cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes, we will multiply this 15 with 1/3. So here we will write 15 multiplied by 1/3. Now 15 ones is 15. 3 we will write here as it is. 15 divided by 3 is rupees 5. Cost of 1/3 kg of potatoes is rupees 5. Cost of 3/4 kg per cabbage equals to rupees 57, which we calculated now. Cost of 1/3 kg potatoes equals to rupees 5, which we calculated now. To find out the total cost of cabbage and potatoes, we will add 57 plus 5. So total cost of cabbage and potatoes is 57 plus 5, that is rupees 62. Students, 8th part of question number 13, you have to do it by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue with the chapter in the next video. Thank you.